These eggplant chips are so easy to make and they're absolutely delicious. Start with an eggplant and cut off the ends. And if you want, you can peel stripes into the skin. You could remove all the skin or leave all the skin. I find it a little bitter. Cut into some slices and then prepare your marinade. And that's barbecue sauce, soy sauce, a mix of spices, and a little water. You can whisk that together and then start soaking your eggplant. Once it's in the mix for a bit, you can lay them out on your dehydrator racks and then put in your dehydrator for a couple of hours on high. When they're done, you can eat them as chips or use them as salad toppers, which is what I like to do. Super simple. I hope you give these a try. They're absolutely delicious. If you do, please let me know what you think. I appreciate you so much for watching and I hope you have a great day.